What's happening, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? Forex King is back into the building again. I hope you guys are doing well. Um, Man, there's a lot of things that's been going on recently. I said, you know what? Let me record this video real quick. I don't like to do the whole record and edit. We're not doing a film production. I like to record my videos uncut, raw, and just give it to you live and direct. Obviously, it's been a while since I recorded the video with solid intentions. I mean, with everything that's going on in the Forex market, if you guys have been keeping up, we're in May of 2024. Earlier this year, everything from lawsuits to prop firms going out of business to medicals kicking out a lot of our overseas overseas brokers. There's a lot of things that's going on. So that kind of held me back from trading for quite a while. Um, and then I get right to the point. So one of the prop firms I was using, a popular one, everyone knows TFT, the funded trader. I was actually in a funded a challenge. I was in a challenge a couple months ago before they went ghost out of business, took a layover, whatever they like to term it. And then that was a big discouragement for me. I mean, obviously, when I was trading, you guys saw me trading the last account. I blew that account just because of being impatient, just being honest and transparent. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to go with a lot of prop firms, and this was actually right around the heat of everything that was going on. While I was very hesitant with going into prop firms, I said, you know what, it's nothing I can lose. I mean, it's this challenge I'm doing is a $5,000 challenge. So I said, you know what, it's a monetary. It was only $49 to do this particular challenge. So I said, all right, I'll get it. I'll try it. And that was prior to TFT going ghost, if you will. I know a lot of people that was with TFT prior to them taking their layover or whatever they call it. They lost their trade accounts and et cetera, et cetera. So that kind of impacted me for a little while. So now my trust with TFT, do I even want to go back into prop firms? Do I want to deal with TFT again? So that kind of was messing with my mindset, whether how am I going to get back into trading after losing my after blowing my last account, my $200 account that I was trying to get to, I think 10,000. I think I was trying to do. But lo and behold, TFT came back. They gave me back the account. I know they're still working, trying to give everyone else back their account. They're working on everything they're working on internally. So I'll be honest, my trust with TFT is still not there, but I got my account back, so why not start trading again? So getting right into the video. So I'm excited. One of the reasons I was excited to record this video, besides just recording it live, raw, with no filters and no edits or whatever, is because it confirms what I've always known. I know I'm a solid trader. I've had success in the past, but life issues, we all go through it. I decided to not get back into the market, but I was determined from my first few videos that if you've seen them already, I said I'm going to get back into the market and I'm going to win no matter what. So despite the small layover, and I actually took about a 3 4 month layover. I think early March it was since I last traded, and then fast forward the stuff with TFT. It's been a while, but I actually just got back into trading May 3rd. Actually, is when TFT came back and they gave me back account. I said, all right, let's get back into it. So I'm excited. I'm doing a challenge with a $5,000 account. Uh, so this is what's happening today. See, I know that we're in a large consolidation situation, and every time I thought it was gonna go up, they sent it back down. See, here it is going back up again. I say, you know what? It's just outside of my trading window. Normally, I don't. I try not to trade past 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. One, the absolute latest, and I started noticing that I was starting to get anxious, and I was starting to get out of my normal discipline that I needed to have while trading. So because of that, I was taking unnecessary risks. Now, while I'm getting in with what I expect, because I know that on the daily, it's a bullish day. I think it's actually doji for the most part, but because of the type of day it was, the volume is obviously not very good. Let me just see. right? So this is, yeah, so daily, you see, let me move this. I mean, it was actually more of a doji type day than anything else. And if you've been watching the US 30, you know that this is actually, I believe this, I think this is still an all time high for the US 30, and then it bounced back and then it's touching it again. So I was shocked at this day when I saw this powerful day. I thought it was going to go up, but clearly it didn't. So this is actually today, this green hammer right now. Hammer, right? Whatever. Hammer. This shows I'm not perfect. Anyway, so I put the green arrows for myself because it let me know when I entered the market. And as you can see, I try to enter the market at points where I believe I have the highest chance of winning. Another reason I want to record this video, while be it imperfect and while be it spur of the moment, is because of DX Trade. DX Trade, I'm not a fan of it, and it's not even letting me go back to May 3rd when I first took a trade. Now, this trade I'm excited about because, man, I followed my trading strategy. I timed it well. I got into the market, and man, I actually thrashed the market. As you guys can see, I'm trading at point one, so I don't over leverage. I'm working on being patient and just executing my plan. Since I got into the account, you see I've had 10 days trading. I'm more than halfway there to the first phase, to finishing the first phase with this account. 5%, 82% win rate, 70% loss rate. That's because I just was undisciplined. Almost there to hitting the profit target. And as you guys can see now, one thing I don't understand is, even though I've had different trades with buys and sells, everything that's shown in the back office is sells. I don't know why. But as you can see the profits: 4, 5, 3, 1, 22 was good, 3, minus 45, and that was because I was overzealous. If I didn't question myself and I stayed in the trade, I think it was this one. This one probably would have been a little bit more. But nevertheless, 3, 5, let me see. It won't even let me go to, actually, wait, let me do this. Thirds when I actually started. Let me see if this works. 1. I don't know why it does this. Third. When I got into the account. Well, the funded trader, there you go. They're clearly still working on getting their stuff together. I want to show you the big one. Matter of fact, let me do it this way. Let me see if it shows. 3. Let me go here. No, I don't know why it's doing that. Let me go here. Alright, well, I'll probably show that in another video just for the sake of time. I don't want this to be too long. But you guys can clearly see from the stats that clearly I'm a decent trader, and I know that. And I don't need a prop firm challenge to prove that, but it also shows the stats, and for the doubters that believe I'm a solid trader. So my strategy works. So the only thing that needs to happen is my psychology. Make sure I stay intact, I stay patient. No need to rush. I clearly know what I'm doing. I don't need to over leverage. And I'm not going to take a lot of risks. I know everyone, you guys may be higher risk takers. You guys are opted to loss. I don't like losing. And I'm only going for the more obvious reads, the more obvious moves. Like this, I knew was going up just based on how everything was going. And again, because of DX trade, which I really don't like, it is what it is. I didn't know how far I'd be able to go back, and I really wanted to show you guys this trade where I actually demolished the market. I think I made $168. I actually killed the market, and I was excited for that. So that's where I'm record this video. With I know it's quick. Like see this. If I wasn't overzealous, I'd probably still be in this trade and it's still going up. So I'm excited about that. So I'm excited. What motivated me too? The reason why I wanted to record this too. I was watching the Beginner Forex podcast with killing me. I remember his name too. You guys know what I'm talking about. Name escapes me. You know I don't record a lot, but again, I was excited. I saw it. I said, you know what, my journey will probably encourage somebody as well. So I'm back. I ain't going nowhere. You know, Forex King. King means keep intentionally needing God. I'm not professing to be this multi-million-dollar trader. I'm a beginner trading, learning the ropes, learning and trying to get to the next level, just like you guys are. So I'm recording really just to motivate you guys. I'm sure someone's probably in a similar position as me as well too. So this is also more of a documentary for me as well, kind of document my journey as I continue to elevate, and I'm excited, to get to the next level. Hope this helps you guys. Quick and easy. Forrest King out. We'll talk soon. Appreciate you.